Hi all, this is my learning assessment number 2. I will be going over my answers for the following. Today's date, and then my name is Miriam Jamil. Number 1, I got 6, 2, 16, 3, -6, 4, 6, 5, 10. The results of the following expressions. So this one would be 38 CSC 142. This would be CSC 142 2018. This would be summer 2018. This would be 0.4. This would be 12.5. The following values for the following lines. A would be 5, B 10, C and D not available. For line 3, A would be 6, B would be 11, C would be 16, D would be not available. Then for line 4, A would be 6, B would be 10, C would be 15, D would be 26. Then for the following, the output would be 100-100, 10-25, and then 1-6. Thank you.